You have a pretty solid English vocabulary, right? What if I told you that some of the words you already know exist in Arabic too, but with totally different meanings? Welcome to Arabic with Amina. In this video, we're diving into the easiest Arabic vocabulary you can learn. Not because it's similar, but because you already know how to pronounce it. Just don't get tricked by the meaning. Jealous is a well-known word in English. It's a feeling that people have. For example, he was jealous of his friend. But what does jealous mean in Arabic? In Arabic, jalasa means sat, such as jalasa Ahmad ala al-kursi. Ahmad sat on the chair. Almost identical pronunciation, but totally different meanings. Moving on, we have the word bathe. Like, you need to bathe. When someone's stinky or unclean, they need to go bathe, take a bath. The same pronunciation in Arabic, bathe, but it means eggs, such as لا أحب البيض. I don't like eggs. A creative way to remember this: if someone starts to smell like rotten eggs, they need to go bathe. The word feel is an expression of our emotions. Happy, sad, mad. We use it all the time when we ask people, how do you feel? Do you feel sick? Do you feel good? In Arabic, though, feel means elephant. You can see this in the sentence, al-filu kabir. The elephant is big. Moving on, this simply daily greeting, hey, can actually mean two words in Arabic. Hey, how are you doing? In Arabic, though, hay, neighborhood. أسكن في هذه الحي. I live in this neighborhood. The other meaning that this word can mean, hay, is alive, so not dead. لا زلت حيا. لا زلت حيا. I'm still alive. I'm not dead, guys. Hats come in all different shapes, sizes, and colors. There are cowboy hats, baseball hats, many different types. And to compliment people, we say, I like your hat. But it also has a different meaning in Arabic. Hat means give. Like if I were to say, هات الكتاب, give me the book. Taking a loan isn't always a great experience. When you have to ask someone, hey, can you loan me some money? Or even if someone else asks you to loan them money, it's not a great experience. But in Arabic, the meaning is more beautiful. Loan means color. And we can use it to state our favorite color. أحب اللون البنفسجي. أحب اللون البنفسجي. I like the color purple. Talking about colors, the color red, such as this red paint, holds another meaning to it as well in Arabic. Red means replied. So a question that's commonly used is هل رد عليك? Did he reply to you? Liking this video? It's time for a clap. Everyone clap. We clap at performances, we clap for celebrations, but in Arabic, kilab means dogs. There's no letter P in Arabic, so the closest we can get to the letter P is ba, which is B. So clap, kilab. أرأيت الكلاب? Did you see the dogs? Nobody likes to pay a fee, especially when the application fee is $100. That's outrageous. But when using fee in Arabic, you don't have to worry about money because it means the word in, such as علي في السيارة. علي في السيارة. Ali is in the car. So there's Ali in the car driving away. Speaking about cars, while you're driving around, it's always handy to have a kit in the trunk, such as this first aid kit. On the other hand, what's not handy to have in your car is قط, which is a cat. هذا قط. This is a cat. You don't want a cat driving around with you. He refers to a male person, such as he is Umar. In Arabic, the word he refers to the opposite gender. Hiya means she, referring to a woman or a girl, such as hiya طويلة. She is tall. That's all for today's video. Do you know any other words like these? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you next time. Arabic with Amina.